checkbox, radio button, and switches. These are all user interface elements used in forms or settings to allow users to make selections. Each of these buttons have distinct purpose and use cases. Number 1. Checkbox. Checkboxes are used when users can select multiple options independently of each other. They are typically presented as a small square box that users can check or uncheck for situations where multiple selections are allowed or desired. For example, selecting multiple items from a list, agreeing to terms and conditions, or enabling and disabling multiple options. Number 2. Radio button. The radio buttons are used when users need to select one option from a group of mutually exclusive options. They are circular buttons that are grouped together and users can only select one option within the group. These buttons are ideal for scenarios where users should choose only one option from a set of choice, such as selecting a gender or choosing a single answer in a multiple choice question. Number 3. Switch. The switches are used to toggle between two states, typically turning something on and off. A switch is a sliding toggle that visually indicates the current state, either on or off. They are best situated for binary choices like enabling or disabling a feature, turning notification on and off, or activating and deactivating a setting. So you may be curious, during my UI research or my UX design, how do I apply these buttons? You use the checkbox when users can select multiple options simultaneously. You use the radio button when users must choose only one option from a set of mutually exclusive options. And you use the switch when users need to toggle between two states, such as turning on a feature or turning off a feature. By understanding the difference between checkbox, radio buttons, and switches and applying them appropriately, you can create a more user-friendly and intuitive interface for your applications. If you find this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe. Till I come your way again next time, I remain Akinola Samuel. Bye for now.